In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order easy dinner Walmart 2026 step by step. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. When the homepage loads, give it a moment to settle because we're looking for a specific shortcut that makes dinner planning simple. Direct your attention to the area just below the main search bar. This is where Walmart highlights quick shopping hubs. You should see a section or banner called Dinner Made Easy. It may appear as a tile, a banner, or a link depending on the current layout, but it lives right under that search bar. Click Dinner Made Easy to open the curated hub. Inside this hub, look for the feature labeled What's for Dinner Tonight. This is designed to gather Walmart's best quick dinner picks in one place. Go ahead and choose What's for Dinner Tonight to open the collection. You'll land on a page that showcases themed ideas and bundles intended to save time, simplify decisions, and keep your grocery list manageable. From here, start browsing for an easy dinner. Scroll at a comfortable pace and notice how items and meal ideas are grouped. You'll typically see short descriptions, photos, and pricing, which help you quickly decide whether a meal fits your needs. If you have preferences such as specific flavors, prep style, or dietary considerations, use the visible on-page controls to narrow the options. Most collections make it straightforward to focus your browsing without getting overwhelmed. As you explore, you'll notice two helpful paths. The first is dinner for your budget. Choose this if you want practical, cost-conscious options that still come together fast. It's a smart way to plan an affordable meal without sacrificing convenience. The second is the easy-to-cook dinner selections. Pick this path when speed and simplicity are your top priorities. These choices usually emphasize minimal prep, fewer steps, and straightforward cooking methods. Take your time comparing what's included with each idea. Check serving sizes, prep notes, and any quick tips shown on the page so you know exactly what you're getting. If a particular dinner catches your eye, open it to review the details and confirm it aligns with your preferences. You can continue browsing between dinner for your budget and the easy-to-cook lists until you found the combination that makes the most sense for tonight. And that's the flow. Go to walmart.com, look below the search bar for Dinner Made Easy, choose what's for dinner tonight, browse the easy dinner options, then decide between budget-friendly or easy-to-cook picks to quickly land on a plan that works for you.